Hi everybody. Now I'm going to show you how to make your creator account and sign up for the 2 sessions that you want to go to on Wednesday from 11 until noon. So go to Google Classroom and go down to your group, wherever your group is, and this says due on 3/22. That's the day you need to do it. So I'm going to click on the assignment, and so we're going to make the connector account. Okay, so here we're going to make the connector account. So we're going to click on this to make our account. And it might take a little while to load, and that's okay. And it says the connector, and it says connecting, so I know I'm in the right place. I'm going to go over here to where it says sign up to create an account. And then I have this weird pop-up problem, so I'm going to close that and come back over here. It says sign up. Pick the option that best describes you. So, are you an educator with a school? No. Do you work for a company? No. Are you a student? Yes. So you're going to click I am a student. And then it's going to ask you to put in your first name and your last name and your date of birth. Please notice it says MMDDYYYY, and it has the lines. So I'm going to do MM and a slash, DD and a slash, and then the year. Now it says sign up for a new account. Okay, so I'm going to put in my email address. Okay, so that's going to be your first name, your last initial, and then the numbers at kcpublicschools.org. Go slow because I know that is a lot of letters. And then your username. So do everything before the @ and then your password. I would do the same one you have for your computer, just to make it easy, and then confirm your password. So do it again, and then you have to click on this to say that you agree with the terms of service, and then sign up. Okay, did it work? I don't know if it worked. Let me try sign up again, see what happens. Ah, now I know it worked because I have all of these things in here. Okay, that's what you need to do. After you do that, you're going to watch this video that I made for you, and then you're going to go to Google Forms, and you're going to fill out this form here. So it asks for your last name. Please read that really carefully. Student last name. So I'm going to put in my last name. Remember the capital. First name, remember the capital. High school that you attend East. Advisory teacher's name, capital M.S. period, space, capital T.H.O.M.A.S. On the question, by the way, the Edpuzzle question that asked how you write my name needs to be capital M.S. period, capital T. Okay? Grade level, I don't know, maybe it's 9th grade, whatever it is, 12th grade, 11th grade. Now this is where the videos that I made for you are going to help you, so you'll know which 2 you want. So there's one at 11, and it goes until 11:25, and then you have a 5-minute break, and the next one is at 11:30 to 11:55. So I think I want to know more about money for school, financial aid, so I'm going to pick that one. And I think I want to know more about 2 years versus 4 years. I don't even really understand why there would be differences, so I'm going to pick that one. And then it says, what other colleges or careers not in the series would you like to learn more about in the future? So, what other colleges? I would like to know about KU and K-State. I've heard of those before. Also, but I've heard of those and I know some teachers went there, so I want to know about those. Also, any other things? I would like to know how to pick a college, because I don't know how to decide where to go. What things should I think about? I mean, yeah, maybe I know if I want to be in Missouri or Kansas, but how do I know if Mizzou is better, or UMKC is better, or KU is better, or K-State? How do I decide? There's just so many things. And then when you're finished, you're going to submit it. Okay? I think it's a good idea to click on this so you remember what you put for your answers and then turn it in. All right? So please do that. It's very important. Also, you need to attend these and answer 2 questions in order to get points for my class. So make sure you go. It's really, really important. Have a great day. See you later.